So students, welcome back to our general knowledge class. I hope you have enjoyed your vacation thoroughly. Today we are starting chapter number 9 and 10 from your book. That is Earth Watch and Protecting Wildlife. So here are the chapters which we are going to discuss in this video. Your chapter Earth Watch contain 8 fill in the blanks and chapter 10 that is protecting wildlife contain 15 match the followings. I'll be discussing each and every answer of the fill in the blanks and match the following in detail. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. So let's start with the chapter Earth Watch. First of all, what do you understand by the name of the chapter Earth Watch, or what we will study in this chapter? If we will talk about the earth, earth provides us food, shelter, protection and other necessary resources. Earth is only place of residence, thus it must be saved from threats at all cost. Environmental hazards destroy the natural scenery of the earth. We should understand these hazards and make efforts to remove them. So let's understand about these hazards from this chapter. Deforestation is the act of cutting down or burning the trees in an area. Now, what are the effects of deforestation? Deforestation increased wildfires, loss of biodiversity, increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, increased flooding, disruption to water cycle, increased drought. Deforestation represents one of the largest issues in global land use. Now let's talk about another issue, that is oil spills. What do you mean by oil spill? Oil spill mean an leakage of oil into the sea or other body of water. Now it can be from sinking or leakage of oil carrying vessels or pipelines, illegal dumping by industries, countries at war, terrorist activities or natural disaster. Water pollution, the very common problem that we are facing nowadays. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean or other body of water. Water pollution is generally caused by sewage, agrochemicals and industries waste. Soil pollution is also equally dangerous for our earth. Soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of human-made chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industries' activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in the cities. Noise pollution is an unwanted sound that disrupts the environment. Some of the causes of noise pollution are air traffic noise, construction sites, catering and nightlife, sleep and behavior disorders, etc. Now let's talk about greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to the space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by the greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the earth. Acid rain. Acid rain contains harmful chemicals from factory gases and damage trees, crops and buildings. Now let's talk about the other chapter, that is protecting wildlife. First of all, why we should protect wildlife? We should protect wildlife because by conserving wildlife, we are ensuring that future generation can enjoy our natural world and the incredible species that live within it. When we protect wildlife, we protect our ecology and ultimately ourselves. There are numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India. In this chapter, we are going to discuss some of the national parks and we are going to match those national parks with their states. So let's start with the chapter. Let's start with the sanctuary Achanakmal Wildlife Sanctuary. It is an Indian sanctuary in Mungili district, Chhattisgarh state. It has been established in 1975 under the provision of Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Bandipur National Park. Bandipur National Park, established in 1974 as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger, is a national park located in the Indian state of Karnataka, and it is the state with the second highest tiger population in India. Dudhwa National Park is a national park in the terry belt of marshy grassland of northern Uttar Pradesh, India. Ghana National Park, also known as Keoladeo Ghana National Park, formerly known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, India, is a famous sanctuary that hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. The Gir forest in Gujarat is famous for lions all over the world. Asiatic lions are found here in large numbers. Hazaribagh National Park is in Jharkhand, India. Hazaribagh towns form the base for visiting the national park. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and it was established in 1936 as Harry National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. Kanha Tiger Reserve or Kanha National Park is also known as Kanha Kisli National Park, is one of the tiger reserves of India and the largest national park of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is situated in the state of Assam in India. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site of India and known for great one-horned rhinoceros. Manas National Park or Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is a national park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a Project Tiger Reserve, an Elephant Reserve and Biosphere Reserve in Assam, India. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the most renowned national parks in South India. The Periyar National Park is set high at the Western Ghat Ranges. It is located in Kerala. Ranthambore National Park is a vast wildlife reserve near the town of Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan, northern India. It is a former royal hunting ground and home to tigers, leopards and marsh crocodile. Sariska National Park is among the most visited national park of the country and is located in the Albar area of Jaipur, Rajasthan. Sultanpur National Park or Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is a very popular national park of India. It is located in Sultanpur village of Haryana. Sundarban National Park is a national park, tiger reserve and biosphere reserve in West Bengal, India. It is a part of the Sundarban on the Ganges Delta and adjacent to the Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. So students, I hope you have understood all about Earthwatch and protecting wildlife. So be at your home, be safe. Thank you. Have a good day.